Hi guys, this is Claire. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to achieve this grunge looking makeup that's full of darkness or something like that. I really like the outcome of this. So if you want to recreate this look, please keep on watching. Hi guys, so I already prepped my skin. I put my foundation and I am baking. Now let's proceed to our eyes. So first I'm gonna use this NYX Professional Makeup in the shade Light. This is concealer. I'm gonna use it as a primer. And before that, before the eyeshadow, I'm gonna fill my eyebrows first using this BYS brow gel in the shade number 2 brown. I'm gonna use this brush. So we want that defined eyebrows. I'm starting in the middle and work my way to the end of the brow. And we want that end to be sharp. And what's left on the brush, I'm gonna fill in the start of the brow. I don't know what it's called, but and then using this brow kit from Luster's, I'm gonna set the brows. I will use the dark shade on the ends of my eyebrows. Using another brush, I'm gonna use the lighter shade here to fill in the start of my brows. And using spoolie, I'm gonna blend it all together. I'm gonna use this and this NYX concealer again, and then I'm gonna define my brows and conceal all the imperfections. I like that. Okay, using this beauty blender, I'm gonna blend those concealer. Okay, done with the brows. Now I'm gonna proceed on my eyes. So using this Wet n Wild again, this shade here, the lightest one, I'm gonna put this all over my lids so that the primer will set. All the shadow later will be easy to blend. Now for the transition color, I'm gonna use this Frenzy here. It's like mauve, yeah, mauve color in the Euphoria BYS palette, and then get this tapered blending brush. This is gonna be our transition color. Okay, so I'm done with that. Now I'm gonna proceed to another palette. Pick your my favorite. So using the same brush, I'm gonna use this Plum Baby right here, this burgundy right here, and then I'm gonna define my crease with that color. So I'm gonna use this one. This is the contour brush. I'm gonna contour. I'm just starting on the outer corner of my eyes and then pulling it in here on my crease and then blending it just like that. Now I'm gonna blend using this big brush right here. So I'm gonna blend this baby. I want that blurry effect that the blending brush give. Now using this contour brush again, I'm gonna use this plum over here. It's from the Rosé in the Air also palette. I'm gonna put that on the outer corner and then blending it in just like the other color. This one is a little bit darker. I'm just extending it in the inside corner like that so that we will get that halo effect. Now I'm gonna blend with the same blending brush that I used earlier. Okay, I'm gonna put a little more in the same shade. Now I'm gonna blend again. This look is, we want that blurry effect, so that's why we keep on blending. Okay, now I'm gonna put this eyeliner, this lustrous one. I'm gonna line this upper lash line. I'm gonna make a little wing over here. That, and then I'm gonna get either brush, this one. I'm gonna use this one and then take this black eyeshadow and then this black sand over here. And then I'm gonna try to smudge this eyeliner. I'm just trying to smudge this little guy over here and then extending it here. I'm gonna use this brush right here and then extending that on the inner corner like that. See? Okay, so I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna blend a little, just like that. Now to the other side, I'm gonna use this one. Okay, using this brush again, I'm gonna do the same with the other side of my eye. Kinda sloppy right now, but yeah, that's good. Now I'm gonna blend again. So I'm gonna extend that black liner again because my hooded eyes is eating it. Yes. Okay, I think I got it. Just a little bit. Black pink. Okay, that's good. Now on the bottom lashes, bottom lash line, this brush right here, and then get my transition color, which is this Frenzy one from the Euphoria BYS. That I'm gonna put that on the lower lashes. The next, Plum Baby with the same brush. And then this plum color in the Rose in the Air palette. With the same brush, I'm gonna use this black sand from the Fickler. Then connecting it on the thing. Okay, I think I made a mistake. I'm gonna use this one, and then put it in my lower lash line. Yes, like that. And then using this brush, I'm gonna dip it on our transition color, Frenzy, and then this dark color here from the Rosé in the Air palette. Nice. Now I'm gonna take this BYS Nadine Lustre and then I'm gonna get this burgundy shimmering shade over here, and using this small brush over here, I'm gonna put that on the inner corners of my eyes. We want that subtle shimmer on our eyes because this is a grunge look. Like, we really don't want shimmer or glitter in the eyes, so we will put just a little in the inner corners. Okay, now I'm gonna put this latte over here on my brow bone, just a little bit, just to highlight that area. Okay, we're good. Now eyeliner. I'm gonna put some eyeliner. I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Super Liner. Then I'm gonna do a wing. Now I'm gonna tight line using this one from the BYS. Then under the eyes, just like that. Okay, now we're going to get rid of this face powder. Now I'm gonna put my lashes. I'm gonna put this one, big old lashes. Okay, now I'm gonna put the lashes on. I'm gonna use this Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive and wait for it to dry. Lashes is on, so now I'm just waiting for it to set. Now I'm gonna proceed to my face. Now I'm gonna contour. I'm gonna apply this contour powder from Vice Cosmetics in the shade For Sure. What that jawline? I'm just gonna contour. I'm not gonna apply some blush. Now on my nose, I'm gonna use the same contour shade. Now I'm gonna highlight using this Caroline, but I won't show you because it's broken. Okay. Now lips. So I'm gonna use this NYX Liquid Suede in the shade, what shade? Vintage. I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna use some concealer to fix the outside corner of my lips. And then I'm gonna put some mascara. So I'm gonna use this Maybelline in Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof. Now it's dry. I'm gonna put some concealer. I'm gonna use this concealer again, NYX. And then reapply the lipstick. I mean the cream lipstick. Okay, now I think we're finished. I'm gonna spray this BYS Amethyst Prep and Set Spray. Now I'm gonna do my hair off cam, and I'll be back with a montage. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this kind of makeup, and please comment down below if you want any specific look that you want me to do. I am gonna try to do it. But yeah, that's it. See you on my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.